Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on an office PC. First, it is crucial to assess your computer's capabilities and network environment. Many office machines have limitations, so we need to identify potential hurdles early on. We will cover checking system specifications, internet speed, and any network restrictions that might prevent you from accessing the game. Understanding these initial factors will set the foundation for a smoother setup process, helping you get into the game faster. To run Fortnite, your office PC needs to meet specific hardware requirements. You will need a 64-bit operating system, such as Windows 10 or 11. 8 GB of RAM is essential for a decent experience, and an Intel Core i3-3225 processor or similar is the minimum CPU. For graphics, an integrated Intel HD 4000 or a dedicated card will suffice for basic play. These components ensure the game can launch and run, even if at lower settings. Once you have checked your system, the next step is installation. Download the Epic Games launcher from their official website. If your office PC restricts installations, explore options like a portable launcher, if allowed. For network blocks, a virtual private network might help, but always confirm your company's policy first. Remember to set your in-game graphics to low or performance mode to maximize your frame rates on less powerful hardware. This will significantly improve your gameplay. To get the best performance, close any background applications consuming resources. Updating your graphics drivers is also crucial for optimal gameplay. Ensure you have at least 50 GB of free storage for Fortnite and its updates. Finally, consider playing during off-peak hours. This can reduce network congestion and improve your connection, leading to a smoother and more enjoyable gaming experience. With these tips, you are ready to jump into the action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.